This Sanyo Denki B1 Super Series servo controller came to us out of a piece of equipment that makes window products. This driver came to ERD with a dead power supply and would do nothing with power applied. This driver required a full rebuild, and as shown in the video, we tested it for power-up operation. We did not have access to the custom motor, so we could not fully run the module, but we were confident in it being fully repaired. At ERD, our personnel have decades of experience with products like this Sanyo Denki, which allow us to make the call in terms of testing. We prefer a full operation test, but there are times where this is not feasible.